Hi, I'm Dave. I'm back at Fager's Island beautiful rooftop dining room. Today, I'm going to make a classic cocktail for you, the Sazerac. First thing we do, ice in the shaker. We're going to take 2 ounces of our Whistle Pig rye whiskey from Vermont. Has to be perfect. We add 2 drops of our Jack Rudy's bitters. 2 teaspoons house-made simple syrup. Next we stir. Have our absinthe glass wash. Next we strain into our coupe glass. Garnish. This is Fager's Island version of the classic cocktail, the Sazerac. Come on in and get one.